we're talking about equivalent expressions. So we have our operations. We have times, divide. Okay, those are opposites of one another. We have add and subtract, and those are opposites of one another. Okay. So when you see 2 times 4b, okay, we're not going to see that b as a b. We're going to see that as a pawn, right? Just like the pawns that we've been using. 2 times 4 pawns. So what does 4 pawns look like? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 groups of 4 pawns. What does 2 groups of 4 pawns means? 1, 2, 3, 4, that's group 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is group 2. So how many pawns do I have? I have 8 pawns, which means I have 8 x's. All right. So notice I could have just multiplied 2 times 4 gives me 8x. Similarly, if I have 2m's plus 2m minus 3, okay? That means I have 2 pawns plus 2 more pawns minus 3, okay? How many pawns total do I have? I have 4 pawns minus 3, which is the same as 4x minus 3. Notice up here, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The minus 3, there's nothing else to do with that minus 3, so it's just minus 3. What happens if I have lots of different letters, different variables? So let's say I have 2x plus 3 plus y plus 3x plus 5 plus y. Okay, this is complex. Here's an x and here's an x. So we could add the coefficients together. I could draw 2 pawns and 3 pawns. How many pawns do I have total? I have 5 pawns. Now I have a y and a y, so I could do red for y. I have 2 of them, so I'm going to do plus 2y. And then I have numbers, 3, 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So this comes out to be 5x plus 2y plus 8. You're combining the things that are the same. Notice I drew the pawns on the top. Uh-oh. Allergies. All right, last example. All right, this is kind of complex. I have 3 plus 2 times 2x plus 4y. So I'm going to draw my pawns. I have 2 x's. I have 4 y's. Now, If I'm timesing 2 by my 2x's, so the 3 stays the same. I can't do anything with the 3. But now I have 2 sets of 2 pawns plus 2 sets of 4 pawns. Because all I did was 2 of these, 2 of these. Now, the question is, what do I have total? 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pawns, but pawns is x, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 a y. All right. So this means times. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, you just put together the stuff that is the same. That is the basics. We've gone over all of this in the past. So do the best you can, and we will talk soon.